Hey, it's Matt with American Powertrain, and if you've gotten a transmission from us in the last few months, you're probably wondering, what is this blue plug in the back of the transmission? Well, let me tell you about it. So we've developed this plug to protect the seal during shipping. When Tremec builds these transmissions, they're shipped to us on a pallet stacked up, 4 to 6 at a time. So generally they're pretty well protected in transit from Tremec to us. But when we ship them to the customers, they go FedEx, UPS, or whatever shipping service that we use. So they're shipped out individually. And yes, they're heavy. Sometimes they get thrown around the truck. So that caused us to double box the transmissions to protect them. So now they're double boxed. That definitely cut down on the damage, but sometimes the seal still gets damaged. And what Tremec does is they put an orange plug in here during production to keep out dirt and debris. But that orange plug tends to get split if it gets hit pretty hard in the back, such as sliding around in the back of a truck during shipping, and that splits the orange plug and cuts the seal. So we come up with this piece to fully encase the seal on the outside. That protects the seal from impact. It also is a multi-function tool. So don't throw it away. Hang on to this thing. This will actually help you install your transmission. So sometimes you need a yoke to help turn the output shaft, which in turn will turn the input shaft, and that'll help line your clutch splines up. So what we have done is we spline this inside, a couple of splines in there, and then we put hand grips on the outside so you can turn it easily. Also, the other thing it does is if you fill your transmission up with fluid and you have to take it out or do any kind of service work, you can pop this back in. It keeps the fluid from coming out. You don't make a big mess on the floor. You don't have to put the rubber glove on the transmission, and that never works. But if you need one of these, you can pick them up at AmericanPowertrain.com. And don't forget, we have our new blackout camo hoodies. So grab one of those too. See you guys.